Hello students. This video is going to talk about how to kind of maneuver around in Google Classroom, open up assignments, join a class, open assignments, do that sort of thing. So I want you to access your Google Classroom not with the app itself, but with either Safari or Chrome. The reason is it gives you full desktop version of your classroom. So basically what I did is I opened up my account here. I'm in Classroom, but you can always tap on your apps launcher here. You can find Classroom in there probably, or you can literally just type in classroom.google.com if it doesn't show up in here. That'll take you. So this is the full desktop version of what Classroom looks like. So your teacher's going to give you a class code. You're going to click on the plus up here, and you can see mine says create class. Ignore that. That's just because I'm a teacher. Yours is only going to say join class. So you click join class. It brings this up, and then you just type in the class code that they gave you. It's always lowercase. So if you see something that looks like these guys, like the L's, those are L's, not capital I's. Click join. And you are in. So this is a class that was created for me to view as a student. So I'm in here as a student now. So I have these three options: the stream, classwork, and people. I'm going to recommend that you do spend most of your time in the classwork section. The stream is just like any other social media stream, where as it's being built and as things are being posted in that, it just keeps adding and adding and adding. So over time, if something was added a couple weeks ago, it's going to be all the way down in the bottom of the stream, and things get lost. So classwork is going to be where you're going to do most of your work. This might look a little different depending on how your teacher builds it. They might have topics which are kind of viewed as units, but these are assignments that are being created for me, and I'll be able to access those, and that'll come in the next video. The people, all this is when I click on this is other classmates and my teacher, so I can send an email directly to my teacher if I need to contact them. You can also contact other students. So this is kind of how you maneuver around in classwork itself. One thing that I do want to show you up here, the menu button, the three lines. When I click on this, all of you have a calendar and a to-do list that is created for you as students. So as your teachers start creating assignments, they're going to show up in your calendar and your to-dos. So I want to encourage you to get in the habit of coming in here and checking out your to-do list. You can see I've got a lot of stuff happening right now, okay? And your calendar. And basically, sorry guys, basically this is assignments, only assignments. It doesn't show announcements, it doesn't show anything else like that, but these are assignments that I have due on specific days, and I can click here and go through my calendar to the next week and so on and so forth. So I want to encourage you to access your calendar and your to-do list. And that's kind of what